How many are doing emotional exercises? Except for you three can't answer that. You're not. You know why? Because no one ever taught you how. Because that's not a thing. You are inadvertently taught from the time you were born. Don't cry. I watched a video on Instagram. I was like, oh my God, it started at infancy. It was sweet. It was loving. Oh, that's so sweet. Don't cry. Don't cry. We are inadvertently taught to shut your feelings off from the word go. It's nobody's fault. It's how it happens. You get a little older. Don't you yell. Don't you get mad at your dad. I'll pull this car over. You quit it. Quit crying. Why are you crying? Walk it off. Man it up. How in the f*** is that helpful for you? As a human, it's not. As an actor, it's a huge, huge block. Block, block, block.